What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Leo.
My name is Andy, and we're back at it again with some more Diana ANKUDINOVA. Today we're checking out Blizzard.
Sorry, having trouble here.
If you're new to the channel and you do enjoy this video that we're about to react to, make sure to check out the Diana ANKUDINOVA playlist that we have, okay? There's a bunch of bangers in there. Obviously, you already know this because you're a Diana fan. Come on now.
Now, what are bangers?
But you have to check out our reactions. I feel like you laugh. You enjoy it. Anyways.
What if they're serious?
We're here. And stay serious, like Leo. Today we're checking out Blizzard.
What if they don't want to laugh?
I'm going to put captions on just to be safe. Like you. It's fine. If you don't laugh, you don't have to laugh. Nobody's telling you to laugh. You want to be serious?
Good.
Be serious.
Good.
Man.
I want to be serious.
All right, be serious.
All right, thank you.
Enough talking. We're talking too much.
Okay.
We're going to get into the song. Ready? Here we go.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной
Instantly.
И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
Yeah! My reaction the first time too.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга, где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзают снова я без тебя.
Goodness!
Listen up here, Chief.
Yeah, real quick. Go ahead, you talk. Right?
Every time, no matter how many times we watch Diana, bro, her voice will always get me. Every single time. We can watch 40 videos, 100 videos, 200. Every time, I'm like, okay, she's just gonna sing. Like, you know, we watch singers, we react to singers. When we see Diana, it's like, that's coming out of her, you know? Out of her?
Like, yo. The fact that one, obviously we don't understand the words, we put the closed caption. Doesn't matter because we're here. I mean, yeah, I guess it does matter because we want to hear the words to the song to understand what kind of song it is. But it's the fact that it's Diana, bro. It's the fact that she starts off with that deeper voice. Like, it blows my mind. Just like you said, I was like, whoa, I almost forgot that she has this deeper, almost deeper than us.
I don't get it.
And then like near like the chorus, when she's going into the chorus where you gotta kind of go up there, you can hear her like more on the. It's like she switches or puts it to the middle where it's like, all right, now I'm gonna add a little higher, but I'm also gonna keep it there so you get the high and the lows in there. And it blows my mind.
It's like a you add a double layer of like the deep voice and the high voice, and then it's just smacked in the middle, and then that's Diana's voice.
Amazing performance. Reminds me again of Deniere Danse. Hopefully I said that right. Deniere Danse. Where she gets really like theatrical with it. She gets into the song. She's like acting it out, which adds to it. I just want to point out real quick, real fast. I love to. Number one, shout out to this guy. I don't know who he is. Y'all gonna have to let us know in the comments below. But shout out to the younger guy. Instantly presses the buzzard. I loved it. The second lady, bro. The second lady had me. I feel like, dang. I wonder if I already passed it. I probably passed it. But the second lady, bro. She is literally every one of us. Every time we like first hear her, where is it right here? Oh, literally, I'm on it. Real quick. Like what is happening? And then instantly, like, I have to. I don't know what the hell's going on, but that killed me, bro. That killed me because if you've never heard that kind of like voice before, if you've never heard that kind of like tone ever in your life, like us, like a lot of other reactors have, where it's like, yo, it blows your mind. Yes, forgive me. My chair keeps falling. Sorry. It just blows your mind because you've never heard it before. So, can you stop making fun of my chair, bro? But yo, it's the fact that we're kind of reacting to a reaction too, in a sense.
Yeah.
Like the fact that she's like, what is that?
Yeah.
Like when we first heard it, you're like, it feels like someone's possessing her, or there's like another person inside her.
It just doesn't.
A deeper tone.
It feels like it's someone else. Like when she sings, it's like someone else took over her body.
I
bro.
freaking love it. I love it.
And it's just like I was literally watching the video. I completely forgot. Like I just like kind of spaced off for a second. And I heard her voice. I was like, wait, what?
I just love it because I feel like in most of the like videos we've seen and reacted to, like she likes to start with that low. Like some of the songs were like always start like soft or low, so she always brings in the like deeper tone, and then once it gets to like the climax, the freaking chorus where it's about to take off, it's just out of nowhere you hear like the blend of both, and you're like, but what is this? And I love it. I don't know. I'm already too deep into this rabbit hole, and I'm going to just continue digging deeper because I love me some Diana ANKUDINOVA, and I'm sure a lot of you beautiful people will agree with me.
So you're sinking already.
God.
You're sinking into the rabbit hole.
I'll take the chair with me down the rabbit hole. That's fine. Yo, amazing performance. Loved it again. Once again, it's cool because in like our country, that shows kind of The Voice, I would say. But it seems to be a different name over there. Amazing, bro.
Beautiful people, if you're new to the channel, masterpiece, subscribe.
Pretty please.
Hit that post notification button so you post another video. I like the video if you like the video for the boost.
Like it anyways.
And then comment down below like Andy's chair if and when we should react to another video of Diana.
Why you gotta put my chair in it?
Because it's...
Huge shout out to Diana ANKUDINOVA. What's next? The Crow?
We'll see you beautiful people in the next video. Remember to keep it simple.
Never.
Always.
Never.
At all times.
Nope.
Just like Andy's chair.
Not even simple. It's simply going down. It's never simple. I needed to just stay up. I can't even do that. Love you.